to Web Prodigy. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a website by using a template of HTML and CSS. So the first step is to download Visual Code Studio, a powerful code editor. Now open your web browser and then search for Visual Code Studio download. Look for the second option in the search result and then click on it to open it in a new tab. Once the page is loaded, proceed to download the Visual Studio Code and get ready to unleash its potential for web development. So great, the download has started. So this downloading will take some time. Once the download is complete, here it is. Now locate the downloaded file in the designated folder. Open the folder and double tap on the Visual Studio Code installation file. A prompt will appear. Now click on the I accept agreement option to proceed. After this, you can replace it with the Visual Studio Code and then you can click on the create desktop icon and next. After this, the installation will be started. The installation process may take a while to complete, so once it's finished, click on the finish button here. Click on it. Now you can verify the successful installation by opening Visual Studio Code. Now moving to our second step, we will proceed to download free coding templates for our website. For this, go to the web browser and search for website template HTML and CSS. After searching this search will lead you to a variety of websites offering templates that can use for your project. Now scroll down to the search result and look for the website called Template Mo. This website offers a wide selection of 588 plus templates for website. Now click on it and open it in a new tab. Here you will find an extensive collection of templates to choose from for your portfolio. Take your time to explore the option available and then select the template that the best align with your vision and requirements. I have choose a template for our website. Now open it in a new tab. Now take a moment to explore the selected template to ensure it meets your expectations. If you are satisfied with the design and features, proceed with downloading the template. To download the template, scroll down to the bottom of the page and locate the download option and click on it. To initiate the download process, please note that the download may take some time to complete. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded file from the designated folder to access the template files. Let's proceed by creating a new folder named website on your desktop. Move the previously downloaded template into it. Once the template is in the website folder, extract its content by right-clicking on the file and then select the extract option. The extracted file will be placed in a new folder within the website directory. Now double tap on the index file and choose the Open with Google Chrome option. This section will open the template in a new tab on Google Chrome and allowing you to have a first-hand look at its appearance. So we have successfully completed the second step. Now we will move to the third step, which involves customizing the template into your own portfolio website. So open the extracted template files. Now double click on the index file, but this time choose to open it with Visual Code Studio. So here you can see the option. Now click on it. Upon opening the index file, click on the yes option to proceed. Now you will have Visual Studio Code displaying the coding structure of the template we downloaded. This is where the magic happens, as you have the opportunity to modify and personalize the template according to your preferences and content. So now let's start customizing the template according to your preference. So let's begin by locating the title tag in the coding. So remove the existing title and then replace it with your own. For example, you can add welcome to our official website as the new title. After inputting this in title, as you make changes, you can witness the live updates in your website. So open your website and reload it to see the updated changes. Now, for the menu section, go back to the coding section and locate the menu section, replace the deal with contract here and then reservation with portfolio and book yours with contact us. This customization will ensure that the menu section align with your specific needs and preferences. So once you have made the necessary changes, save the file and return to your website. Reload the page to see the updated menu section in action. You will notice the menu bar now reflects your personalized menu option, providing a seamless and cohesive user experience. So this is just one example how you can customize different sections of the template and align with your unique vision and contact requirements. Now for the next section, let's continue customizing the template in Visual Studio Code. Now scroll down to the section which is the main caption section and select the existing text and replace it with your own. For example, you can replace it with like, "Hi, my name is Brett Bucksack and welcome to my website," or you can say, "This is my website." Now let's locate to the code related to the location. Replace Caribbean with United States to reflect your desired location, and in the about section coding, replace "go there" with "read more" to provide a clear call to action for your visitors. After this, you can also additionally make further changes to enhance the customization. Now replace the website with portfolio to accurately represent the purpose of your website, and then remove the reference to United States and replace it with web developer to showcase your professional role. Now feel free to modify other sections as well. For instance, change population to web designing projects. Here you can change it. Now you can change the territory to programming projects and AVG price to HTML and CSS. Another customization you can make is to add the number of projects you have completed. In the respective section of the code includes the information about the number of projects you have successfully undertaken. To further enhance the section, replace "explore more" with the "read more about us" to provide a more engaging call to action for visitors. So reload the page. After this, you will see the updated changes. Now let's move on the next section. Here in the coding, scroll down to find the section you want to modify. Now change it to "visit our freelancer team" to accurately represent the purpose of the section. After this, you can also replace the existing text with something like, "I am the most passionate designer you will ever work with" if you have a great project that requires amazing skills. Now once again, save the changes and reload the page to view the updated content on your website. You can further customize these sections according to your specific needs and preferences. So let's move to the next section. To customize this section, navigate back to the coding area and locate the specific section you mentioned. Replace it with Fiverr. Similarly, update Europe to United States to reflect the desired location. But I think name will be better in this option, so I'm changing it with Robin Williams. After changing this, you can also add text like, first of all, you have to remove it. After removing it, you will add it like, "I am Robin Williams. I am a web developer with over 7 years of experience." After this, you can also remove any unnecessary option that you don't want it on this section. After making these changes, save it and then reload the page on your website to see the updated content. So after this, for the next section, all you have to do is go back to the coding section and let's customize it by changing the name to Alex Dodge and location to United Kingdom. Here, replace the existing text with a new description such as, "Hi, I am Alex. I am a graphic designer and a top-rated freelancer." Now after this, you can also remove any unwanted options that are not relevant to your needs. So you can also additionally can change the "need direction" option to "need more information" to provide a clear call to action. Copy these changes and apply them to the previous section as well, ensuring consistency throughout our website. So after saving your modification, go to your website and check the changes by reloading the page. You will now see the updated content. After this, let's customize the last section by removing the unwanted options that are not relevant to your content. After this, you can also change the name to Hasib Shah and set the location to Pakistan. Replace the text with the description such as, "I am a web developer and a designer with the years of experience and 100 plus satisfied clients." Now, after making these changes, save your modification. Now, go back to your website and reload the page to see the updated content. Now, here you can see the updated content here. Now, it's time to customize the footer section of your website. Here, navigate back to the coding section. Now, after this, change the content to, "Are you looking for a developer?" Here, and designer. After this, replace orders with click here to place orders within our agency. After this, modify the reservation option to place your order now. Now update the copyright information to Brett Buxek. After this, replace company with location and set it to United States. Now change the last option to freelancer portfolio. After saving these changes and reload the page on your website, you will now see the completed development of your website. This is how you can create a website with HTML and CSS. Please note that this video is primarily aimed at beginners. If you have any specific inquiries regarding adding your logo or images to the team section, kindly leave your question in the comment section below. Additionally, if you like the video, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel, to Web Prodigy. Thanks for watching the video.